Hi guys! Okay, do you want to see how I created this real cut crease? Then keep on watching, it's going to be a quick one. I am using the Be Perfect Carnival 3 palette, and honestly this look is so easy, it's crazy. So the first brush I'm going in with is the Luxie 121 mini tapered brush, and I'm going in with the shade Blaze, and I'm going to use this to create my wing shape, and I'm just tapping it. I'm not being very precise at all. And you don't need to have it match the other side either. That is the beauty of this kind of thing. I'm just tapping in that kind of swooped out shape, and I want it quite messy, just like that. I'm going to go in with Chili Pepper, which is that slightly darker red shade, and go over the same, not in the exact same places, just kind of stippling and tapping. I'm just really starting to get that irritated look. I'm then going to swap over, and you can see the size difference between the brushes. This is a lot smaller. I'm not sure what brush this is. I think it was from eBay or something. It's just a tiny little pencil brush. I'm going to go in with the shade Grape, and this is going to start to create like a bruise look. Again, I'm just tapping, and I'm keeping this more towards the centre of the eye, centre of the shape. So, but again, just tapping, making it really just random, and I'm just patting it in. I'm then going to go in with a little bit of Blackberry, which is again just slightly darker purple. I'm going to do the same. And then back in with Chili Pepper. So it should look something like this. Okay, so now I'm taking the liquid blood. This is from Tesco's. It's just fake blood. It's the really liquid one. I'm taking a nail art ball tool, or you can take like a little palette knife or a cocktail stick. Take the cotton off of a cotton bud or a cotton swab. Anything like that is fine. And you are going to squeeze, pick up a bit of the blood just on the ball end, and you're going to create a swoop. Now you do want to go slow and steady with this. It will take a minute or so. Now if you're not confident at creating this swoop, you can go in with an eyeliner before you go in with any shadows to create like a guideline. And you do want to put this above your natural crease. So it should look something like this. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my coagulated blood. If you don't have coagulated blood or scab blood, then you can buy like a bottle like this and leave the topper open, like unscrew it so that air can get in, or like completely take the lid off and leave it to dry, and it'll dry out and go like claggy. Is that a word that people know around the world, claggy? Or is it just like a Yorkshire thing? Like, I'm a Yorkshire girl from UK, so I don't know if that's just like one of our random words, because we have a lot. And then I'm just going to take that same ball tool, and I'm going to dip in, and I'm going to grab it onto my ball tool, and I'm going to go over again that line. And you don't want it to be like perfect, because scabs do not heal like evenly. So it should look something like this. Okay, so I'm going to throw on a wing liner really quickly. Okay, now to kick it up just a little bit, I'm going to take that same liquid blood. I'm just going to take it there. And then I'll drag my ball tool and make it bleed. This is why I love Halloween. You can just keep adding and building on to what you've created. You can really customize this. So you can make it drip more, you can make it drip less, you can make it not drip at all. You can wing it all the way to your temples. You can add lashes. Honestly, like, the world is your oyster with this kind of look. You can just, my hair really needs straightening, ignore it please. But you can really just make it go there. It looks gross and I love it. I'm not going to do it on the other side because I feel like that would be a lot, but just to have it on one side like dripping down and be like, ooh. I really like it. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. I know it was a quick one, but yeah, let me know what you think. Would you like to see more of this kind of thing where it's like more wearable Halloween looks? Because I can definitely do that. Yeah, thank you for the support, thank you for the love. Please, if this is not your first video, please make sure to give it a subscribe and I will see you on the next one. Bye.